rin.
Ganahan kay
Mga mawis balik ka ulit eh.
Ato yung lingaw-lingaw itong kaugalingon.
Ako na matangkubo.
Tasting 101. Sa Pilipinas, we call this as hamonado. Isud man kayo sa itinidor, mag-chopstick ko. 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest. Tasty Food 101, the hamonada.
0.
What's the taste?
Perfect. Thank you.
I'll give it a 7
Out of 10.
out of 10. Plus 4, 11. It's delicious for me. The scent,
How about the smell?
the scent, it's giving
Giving down.
Something what?
giving icy cola. But it's delicious. Next,
I'll rate the smell.
the smell, I'll rate it negative 1, square root of 2, times 3 equals 2.
So,
Solve that.
so mabaho.
Next, good tasty
Tissue.
tissue.
With the sweet.
The sweet with mango sprout. Oh,
Is it dalo, Papa?
no, what we call this is
Tauge.
tauge. Okay.
This sa tawag love kay
Mix
lahi
it.
ba yuta diri lang.
Actually, this is actually a sprout, but I forgot what sprout is that. Mango sprout. 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest.
Yes.
Saglit daw. Kasukal. Yusap ba?
Tunlan na.
Yusap ba? Hindi siya kausap.
1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest. I give this 3. I don't eat raw food kasi, but it's delicious. The sprout is nice. It's giving.
Yusap biya ka ha.
Next is rice.
This one, sticky rice.
It's giving talaga. Lakpak mo sa kuha.
Ah, lagi. Kampay
Enough
ta.
na bro. Tama na.